As per usual, Rapture goes far and beyond for you and your needs. Today we are in the beautiful city of Pitori.
And today we've got this lovely V250d from a client. We're going to be doing some dent pulling, we're going to be doing a full Rapture on the car, some panel beating. Yeah, let's take it from there, but first, let's get some pancakes.
Once again back in the beautiful city of Pretoria, and the car is finally done. It's been quite a lot of work, but we know that the client is going to be absolutely ecstatic with how it came out. We're very happy. We can't wait to see our reaction.
So if you guys are looking for any panel beating, wrapping, detailing, ceramic coating, you name it, Rapture, we do everything, and best of all, we come collect from your house.